How's it going, everyone? My name is Freddy Pie, and today I have a problem with my TV. Look. See that? My TV isn't working. This happens every time I go watch some TV. Whether it's YouTube, whether I watch some YouTube, or play video games. What is happening to my TV? Is it broken or something? Do I need a new TV? No, I don't. No, I'm keeping the TV. I need this TV to play video games and watch YouTube videos. Because I just don't know what to do to the TV. How do I fix it? I'm gonna need some help fixing the TV. If you guys know how to fix the TV, subscribe. I just don't know how to fix it. If you guys know in the comments how to fix it, subscribe and like this video. Bye.